In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome running slow, lagging, or freezing on Windows. If Chrome has become unresponsive or takes a long time to load pages, there are several troubleshooting steps that can help improve its performance. To get started, close Google Chrome and restart your computer. This clears temporary processes and memory that may be affecting Chrome's performance. Once your computer restarts, open Chrome again and see if the issue has improved. Next, make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. Restart the browser after the update is complete. If Chrome is still running slowly, click the three-dot menu again and select Settings. Open Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Choose a time range, select Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and other site data if appropriate, then click Delete Data. Now, open Settings and select System. Turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available, then click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Disabling hardware acceleration can resolve lag and freezing issues on some computers. Next, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Disable your extensions one at a time, especially those you no longer use. After disabling an extension, restart Chrome and check whether the performance improves. If the problem continues, click Settings, then Reset Settings and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset to restore Chrome's default configuration without removing your bookmarks or saved passwords. You should also make sure Windows is fully updated by opening Settings, selecting Windows Update, and installing any available updates. Keeping both Windows and Chrome up to date can resolve many performance issues. Finally, if Chrome is still slow, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC and check whether Chrome or another application is using a large amount of CPU or memory. Closing unnecessary programs can free up system resources and improve browser performance. That's how to fix Google Chrome running slow, lagging, or freezing on Windows. Thanks for watching.